Okay, so we're in example 2 here, and I'll go to it right now. And example 2 is right there. Okay, what happens to the point x, y under the dilation centered at the origin? So let's go into Sketchpad and we'll do that. Okay, I'm going into Sketchpad. If you don't have it, you can just follow along with me. If you have it and you're on the slide, you can just click on it. So here it is right here. So we've got some coordinates here. So here we actually know the coordinates as opposed to the other screen. It's kind of estimated. And what we want to do is I'm going to change the scale factor. So right now the scale, so we're starting with this image, this pre-image, and we're ending with this image. And so if I make that scale factor 1, the image and pre-image are basically on top of each other. If I make it a half, like it started at, you can see we cut the coordinates in half. If I make it a quarter, quarter of 2 is 0.5, quarter of 7 is 1.75. Okay? Now I don't think this one's going to have it going bigger than 1. Well, it goes bigger than 1, so let's try to go to the scale factor of 2. You're going to lose some of it there. Okay? I'm going to scroll up just a little bit so we can see the rest of it. So there's your E prime. Oh, it's 2 times bigger, 2 times bigger. So you can do any scale factor you like. Do 1 and 1.5. Okay? Half of 2 is 1, and then you add it to, that's 1.5. Add 3.5 to 7, and you got 10.5 because it's 1.5 more. So you can do lots of different things there. So if we actually go to this one to answer this question, answer this question, x, y, when you have the scale factor of k, is going to be k times x, k times y, whatever that scale factor is. And remember, when k was less than 1, it actually got smaller. The new image was smaller, and when we put that k bigger than 1, the new image got bigger. Okay, and they'll show that on the next screen.